Hi, welcome to BrushMyQuant channel. In this video, we'll be learning about how to find last two digits of numbers ending with 1, 3, 7 or 9. So let's start with 1. So find last two digits of 131 raised to 345. Now in this problem, the base is 131, the exponent is 345, and whenever you have to find the last two digits of numbers ending with 1, the concept is the units digit of that number will be 1 itself, and the tens digit will be equal to tens digit of the base multiplied by units digit of exponent. So let's take this example. So in this case, base is 131, tens digit of base is 3, and units digit of exponent is 5. So that means the tens digit of this expression will be 5 and units digit will be 1. So the last two digits will be 51. So in order to find this, the units digit will be 1 itself, and the tens digit will be equal to tens digit of base multiplied by units digit of exponents. If you want to solve more problems on power of 1, do check out the video provided in the description of this video. Now, how to find last two digits of numbers ending with 3. So find last two digits of 3 raised to 241. Now here we are going to use a concept or logic, which is 3 raised to 4 will be actually equal to 81, and the units digit will become 1. So we can apply the rule for 1 in order to find the last two digits of 3 raised to any power in that case. So if we simplify this, this can be written as 3 raised to 240 plus 1. That means 3 raised to 4 into 60 multiplied by 3 raised to 1. This becomes 3 raised to 4 whole raised to 60 multiplied by 3. 3 raised to 4 is 81. So 81 raised to 60 multiplied by 3. Now this is a number whose units digit is 1. That means 81 raised to 60 units digit will be 1 itself. And the tens digit will be equal to product of the tens digit of the base, which is 8, multiplied by units digit of the exponent, which is 0. So 8 multiplied by 0 will be 0 itself. That means the last two digits of this number will be 01 multiplied by 3 or will be equal to 03. Let's try another problem. So find last two digits of 783 raised to 402. Now this problem is a bit different because we have numbers before 3 also. So to solve this one, we will divide this by 3 to get 261 multiplied by 3 raised to 402. That means 261 raised to 402 multiplied by 3 raised to 402, which can be written as 400 plus 2. Now this has units digit 1. That means the last two digits will be given by units digit will be 1 itself. And the tens digit will be equal to tens digit of the base multiplied by units digit of the exponent. So 6 multiplied by 2, which will be 2, multiplied by 3 raised to 400, which can be written as 3 raised to 4 whole raised to 100 multiplied by 3 square. So 21 multiplied by 81 raised to 100 multiplied by 9. Now this is again having units digit of 1. So that means units digit will be 1. And tens digit will be 8 multiplied by 0 will be equal to 0. So this becomes 21 into 9, or we'll have the tens digit as 89. So tens digit of this expression will be equal to 89. Now let's see how we can find last two digits of numbers ending with 7. So find last two digits of 7 raised to 282. Now if you look at the units digit of power of 7, it actually goes like 7, 9, 3, 1. That means if you are able to express this number as 7 raised to 4 or some power of 7 raised to 4, then we will have a units digit of 1, and we can use the logic for units digit of 1 in order to solve this. So this can be written as 7 raised to 280 plus 2, which is 7 raised to 4 multiplied by 70 multiplied by 7 square. Now the last two digits of 7 raised to 4 are actually 0, 1. So this is 0, 1 raised to 70 multiplied by 49. Since this has a units digit of 1, so this will have units digit of 1, and tens digit will be 0 multiplied by 0, which will be 0 multiplied by 49. That means the last two digits of this number will be equal to 49. Let's try another problem. Find last two digits of 847 raised to 422. Now we have other numbers before 7, right? So we will try to divide this number so that we get 7 multiplied by some other number. Now if we do that, we'll end up with 127 multiplied by 7 raised to 422. So this can be written as 121 raised to 422 multiplied by 7 raised to 420 plus 2. Now this has a units digit of 1. So units digit of this entire expression will be 1, and tens digit will be product of the tens digit of the base, which is 2, multiplied by the units digit of the exponent. So 2 into 2, which is 4, multiplied by, this can be written as 7 raised to 4 whole raised to 105 multiplied by 7 square. So 41 multiplied by 7 raised to 4, the last two digits will be equal to 01 raised to 105 multiplied by 49. So this becomes 41 multiplied by 1, and the tens digit will be 0 multiplied by 5, which is 0 multiplied by 49. So 41 multiplied by 49, or last two digits will be equal to 09. Now let's see how we can find last two digits of numbers ending with 9. So find last two digits of 9 raised to 243. Now, if you look at units digit of 9, it actually follows the pattern of 9191, right? So if we are able to express this as an even power of 9, then we will have a problem where units digit will be equal to 1. So we can use the logic for power of any number with units digit of 1 in order to find the last two digits of this number. So we can write this as 9 raised to 242 plus 1, which is 9 raised to 2 into 121 multiplied by 9. So 9 square is 81 raised to 121 multiplied by 9. Since this has units digit as 1, so units digit will be 1, and tens digit will be 8 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 81 multiplied by 9. And this will be having the tens digit as 29. So the last two digits of this expression will be equal to 29. Let's try another problem. Find last two digits of 1269 raised to 436. Now again, in this one, we have numbers apart from 1, right? So our idea will be to simplify this so that we are able to get 9 multiplied by some other number. So if we do that, we'll end up with 141 multiplied by 9 raised to 436. So this becomes 141 raised to 436 multiplied by 9 square whole raised to 218. In this one, we have units digit as 1. So this becomes 1. And tens digit will be 4 multiplied by 6, which will be 4, multiplied by 81 raised to 218, which will be 41 multiplied by, this is 1, so units digit is 1, and 8 multiplied by 8 will have the tens digit as 4. So the last two digits will be given by 41 multiplied by 41, or last two digits will be 81. If you want to understand the concepts of exponents or units digit or last two digits, do check out the link to all the videos provided in the description of this video, and you'll be able to master those concepts. Hope you found the video useful, and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.